Is this 7-inch monitor overkill or a cinematographer's dream? SmallHD Ultra 7 hands-on review. Ever feel like your monitor's betraying you? Fighting glare, struggling with color accuracy, or losing focus pulls you out of your creative flow. You're squinting, second-guessing exposures, and wasting time fiddling with tools that should make life easier. That sad little monitor on your rig? Yeah, it's holding your whole production hostage. Frustration builds when sunlight nukes your screen visibility or your professional monitor dies mid-shoot. Your vision's clear, but your gear? Not so much. Burned out yet? You should be. Your creativity's gasping for air, because your tools aren't keeping up. Now, multiply that frustration. Crushing deadlines. Gear failures. Stress-fueled caffeine binges. Those half-baked monitors forcing reshoots? They're bleeding time and budget. Burnout creeps in when every outdoor shot feels like a gamble, every focus pull looks kinda right, and every color grade ends up a salvage mission. Missed moments. Botched gigs. Professional reputation? At risk. You're hustling hard, but bad gear's dragging your whole career down. Meanwhile, other filmmakers are flexing flawless footage, and you're stuck wondering why your setup's holding you back. Spoiler. It's your monitor, not your skill. Here's your wake-up call. The SmallHD Ultra 7 on-camera touchscreen monitor. This beast isn't just a monitor, it's your command center. Packing 2300 nits of retina-searing brightness, 10-bit color processing, and 6G SDI 4K signal ingestion, Ultra 7 makes sunlight irrelevant and clarity guaranteed. Camera control for ARRI. Red. Sony Venice? Check. Customizable function buttons? Yup. Built rugged for insane environments, Ultra 7 laughs at dirt, rain, and rough handling. Think buttery smooth page OS navigation, precision focus assists, and lens control overlays at your fingertips. Stop guessing. Start dominating. Picture this. Perfect daylight visibility, zero color compromise, and every tool you need literally under your thumb. With Ultra 7's customizable workflows, multi-view monitoring, and built-in camera control interfaces, you're streamlining shoots like a boss. Faster focus pulls, smarter exposure control, and on-the-fly adjustments without slowing down. Whether you're filming blockbusters or indie gold, Ultra 7's razor-sharp image fidelity unlocks next-level creativity. Ready to stop battling your monitor and start creating magic? Tap that like button and dive into the review, your future footage will thank you. Thousands of pro filmmakers already trust SmallHD Ultra 7 as their secret weapon. Don't let slow tools cost you your next masterpiece. Stock is limited, these aren't sitting around collecting dust. Smash that subscribe button, share your worst monitor horror story in the comments, and grab your Ultra 7 before your next project implodes. Upgrade now, take control of your rig, and join the pros redefining cinematic precision. Hit the link, make the leap, and finally see what your shots were meant to look like.